Well, I'm back in the saddle again. Well, my RV's been repaired. It's just about time for me to go. But I gotta get Tom to help me do some driving. So, but I have some clips to show you. All right.
We're just gonna pull over here for these people.
Oh, please don't get stuck in the mud. I'm not gonna get stuck in the mud. Okay.
So you're filming?
Say hi.
Hi. Well, we just got her RV back and got a brand new carburetor in it. The whole top of the engine's been redone, and this is the first test drive after the new carb because the old carb was not working. It was sputtering and bogging out, so we want to do Edelbrock on here. And now you can actually put your foot in the floor, as I'm going to demonstrate. It doesn't stall out.
There's my feet.
But you never thought this would have that kind of power. As we burn past the police station.
Oops. Whoop, whoop. They're all on duty. They're not there.
Well, you know, this sounds good. It runs good. I think it's, we can pay the bill and be happy that this thing's going to get you ready to go now.
Okay. Yay. Oh. Woohoo! This is your stop here. We're passing it.
I'm all excited. I'm like...
Well, she's emptied out. all the girls you could have spent time with, thanks for hanging out with me. If you like what you see, please subscribe and don't forget to ring my bell. Until next time, I love you. Auf Wiedersehen.